What is up YouTube? Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be working on the DMX once again, and we're going to be installing a rooftop awning. This is the Drifta Stockton one. Very easy install. The only tools you're going to need are basic hand tools. So I needed a drill with a 9mm drill bit because the bolts I had were too big. 10mm and a 1/2" socket, 10mm spanner, a knife and a texter. The only thing that's not included in the kit is these T-bolts that you can just pick up from Bunnings or something. Any like T-nut for roof racks will work. The ones I got were a bit too big for the bracket, so I had to drill them out bigger for a 9mm hole, which isn't too much of a problem, so just be wary of that, or you can get the right size T-nuts in the first place. I hope you enjoy, and let's get into the video. Alright, so what I'm first going to do is take these end caps off, and I'm going to roughly see where this bracket lines up, and I'm just going to mark the end. I'm going to need to remove this plastic, so let's see if we can cut that. Just like that, that is out. So next I'm going to get these T-mounts, slide them in. I should be able to line these up. And it appears that the threads I got are too big, so I'm going to drill out these holes and make them bigger. And now that I've drilled these out to a 9mm hole, I'm going to slide these on, crack our washers on, get our spring washer, tie down this. I'm going to leave these loose so I can move these forward and back a little bit. And now we do the other side. With the awning, you get these T-bolts here that go into this channel here. So we'll put 2 on each side, and then we'll line them up with the brackets we just put on, and then we'll tighten it all down. So we'll line these ones up like that, put a nut very loosely just to hold that in, just like that. Put a nut on here. Before we tighten it, we just want to move it to how we want it. So now we can tighten it all up. Okay, so I'm happy with that pushed up against that. I'm going to lock the bracket down to the roof rack first. Then we'll switch our socket over and we'll tighten the awning to the roof rack. And that is solid. There we go, all set up. Nice and solid. Now this is the 2m by 2.5m awning. Let's set it up and see how big it is. First time setting it up, let's try it. That's a lot bigger than I thought. It's actually pretty good size. Just need to strap these down. And it's a lot more solid than I thought. Setting it up was a bit weird. That was the first time I've ever set up an awning, so I'm sure once I do it a bit more, I'm going to find out a rhythm. How about the pack up? I'm sure I've got to set that up, and there's a better way to do that. Alright, just watch someone do it. Let's try it. Well, that was a lot easier doing it like that. very happy, very happy. All packed up and fully installed. Very happy. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Give me a like if this helped you out. Very super simple install. Recommend. The Drifta Stockton, I'm yet to use it, but the quality feels top tier, so very happy how that come out. And stay tuned for the next video. I'll see you then.